I'm going to show you how to deposit into your RedotPay account, so let's start. First of all, make sure to open the RedotPay app, click on deposit, and then select the asset to deposit and choose Binance Pay or USDT on-chain deposit as the deposit method. If you chose Binance Pay, next enter the deposit amount, then switch to the Binance app to confirm the order and complete the verification to make the deposit. Just a friendly reminder, USDs recharged by Binance Pay do not support withdrawal and conversion. Take into consideration the deposit limits for Binance Pay are as follows. RedotPay may adjust these limits at any time based on actual conditions with a specific subject to what is displayed on the page. Secondly, Binance will charge a 1% fee for each deposit. If you chose to deposit USDs, your cryptocurrency on Binance will be converted into USDs and credited to your RedotPay account because USDs do not have an expiration date and can be used for purchases and internal transfers, but withdrawals are not supported. That's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.